September 19, 2025, US President Donald Trump signed a proclamation that mandates a $100,000 annual fee for H-1B visa applications. The administration has stated the purpose of this measure is to protect American tech jobs and ensure that the H-1B program is used to bring in only the most highly skilled and exceptional foreign workers. This new fee is a dramatic increase from previous application costs, which typically amounted to a few $1,000s. The proclamation also directs the Department of Labor to raise the prevailing wage levels for H-1B workers, which would further increase the cost for companies that employ them. Impact on American businesses and foreign workers. The new policy is expected to have a significant impact on several industries, particularly the tech sector, which heavily relies on H-1B visa holders, a majority of whom are from India. For companies, the substantial increase in fees could make hiring foreign workers prohibitively expensive, leading them to either scale back their reliance on the program or reserve these visas for only the most senior and highly compensated roles. The new policy also applies to visa renewals, meaning companies will need to decide if they want to pay the annual fee to retain existing employees. For foreign professionals, particularly those at the beginning of their careers or in lower-paying roles, the new fee may make it much more difficult to obtain or renew an H-1B visa, potentially limiting their opportunities to work in the US. The administration argues that this change will reduce competition for American workers and prevent the H-1B program from being used to hire foreign labor at lower wages. Legislative and legal context. The proclamation is expected to face legal challenges, as critics and legal experts question whether the president has the authority to unilaterally impose such a significant fee without congressional approval. The H-1B program was established by Congress in 1990, and these new fees represent a sweeping overhaul of the system. In addition to the proclamation, a new bill has been introduced by a Republican senator that would also reform the H-1B program by raising the salary floor and replacing the lottery system with a wage-based allocation. This legislative effort and the presidential proclamation both signal a broader push to reshape the skilled worker visa system in the US to prioritize American jobs and wages.